Covert Manufacturing is a woman-run company that produces high-precision industrial components. Co-presidents are Kim Fox and Terry Williams. World-famous companies like Detroit Diesel and Ford Automobile are among their customers.
Well, I think Covert is successful because of our customer service. Our customers are our number one concern. If they need something, we're going to do it. If we need to work over the weekend, we're going to do it. We're going to make our customers happy. And therefore, they make us happy by giving us more work.
This is where everything comes together for proving what the liquid tool is worth. The company runs a modern laboratory to analyze and monitor customer samples. Blaser Swisslube Incorporated, here in Goshen near New York City, serves the U.S. and South American markets.
Covert approached us through what I recall as having a problem wanting to solve some tooling issues. It also was a recruiting effort done by our distributor there in Ohio with Rick Hale and Tech Tool of Akron.
At Covert, they know that using the latest technology is a success factor. That's the reason why a team from Blaser Swisslube was invited. But things don't always work out the way they should.
How much time is there?
Covert Manufacturing had been using a competitor's product for more than 10 years. Due to serious biochemical stability issues during this time, they had to dump their sumps every 3 months.
The liquid tool is the people, the products, and the services. I'm the people, the products is our Blaser Swisslube coolant, and the services are things that we do as in education, laboratory reports, monitoring, and assisting in maintenance. As a matter of fact, Covert has opened their doors up to any new Blaser employee that needs to be educated on cleaning machines, and we've taken full advantage of that, sending in new employees to assist the guys in the proper cleaning of the machines. So that's the people and the products and the services. And it all is to increase the customer's productivity.
The Blaser Swisslube team conducts a situation analysis to show where improvements can be achieved with the liquid tool.
Yes, a few years back, we were very concerned with how much money we were spending with our coolants. And we were also very concerned with our tool life. So our perishable tool life, we spend several thousands of dollars a month on perishable tools. And Blaser came in and gave a presentation, and we checked out what they said, and we found that there was validity to have us test their product. We were very happy with our tool life change. We use less coolant.
Nathan Corbett to the office, please.
Nathan Corbett, 155, please. Nathan Corbett.
Covert manufactures mostly cast iron parts on more than 100 milling centers.
The main objectives was tool life when it started out. We also had some residual smell issues that we were trying to resolve that we had suspected it was coolant. We ended up gaining a 27% increase in tool life over a 6-month period on a cell that we had tracked for 2 years. So that was the main goal.
We actually tested in 6 machines, and they were all robotic machines with very little operator interference or influence. And the customer did a very in-depth study of our coolant as compared to the current coolant, and we showed a 27% across the board increase in productivity, tool life, scrap parts, corrosion left, no operator complaints as to odor or skin irritation, and there was very little foam. So it was a win-win situation for us.
The test results were impressive. Significant savings with the same machining quality reduced production costs by almost $1 million per year.
The objectives of trying this new coolant exceeded our expectations. We went on it a lot faster, took the whole shop over to it a lot quicker, and we have another facility that we're going to be implementing that change also.
Thanks to liquid tool performance, tool and machining costs decreased by more than 25%.
The liquid tools proved itself, and it was sold through engineering, which needs to be done, and it just was easily to justify at that point.
Cutting fluid costs alone are 20% lower due to the long-term stability of Blaser cut.
When I was first presented with Blaser, it was a little bit of a challenge because it was different. But once Glenn and Rick helped me through things, it became very simple. It's a good product.
No more expensive water treatment is needed.
Very excited, absolutely. Again, we surpassed their expectations, surpassed even our proposal, and they were ecstatic with the results, and they really couldn't believe that we had achieved what we did during the testing process, and how much a difference a metalworking fluid could make during the machining process.
Sump life has increased from 3 to 12 months.
We have to sell Blaser at the engineering level. It's not a maintenance product. You have to get the customer to understand how the fluids are going to perform for them. And it's important that we do a cost justification. You have measurements in place to justify. If you can do that, you're going to win.
And Blaser's liquid tool has a lot of other benefits too. No additives are needed against odor and corrosion. Operators no longer have any skin problems. All in all, these savings cut annual production costs by 25%.
The cooperation was great. We got really good technical service and really good help. They were in here all the time. It took us about 8 months. We did testing on several different machine cells. We tracked tool life. We tracked how much coolant we were using, the mixtures, and everything was good. I mean, the cooperation was awesome.
Very happy with Blaser. Their customer service is outstanding. That's very important to us. Someone to be able to respond to our problems and our questions right away. I've never had any trouble with that, with them.
Whenever you see a Blaser balloon in the sky, look up. We can always rescue you with our liquid tool, wherever you may be.